The unreleased Galaxy Z Fold 8 has just surfaced online. A brand new post from Lu has sent the tech world into a frenzy after a short hands-on video surfaced online, appearing to reveal Samsung's unreleased Galaxy Z Fold 8 long before its official launch. If this leak is real, we're looking at Samsung's next-generation foldable months ahead of schedule. The device showcases a noticeably wider foldable design paired with a sleek dual-camera setup, perfectly matching the growing wave of leaks surrounding the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 8 wide coincidence or the real deal. Samsung hasn't confirmed whether the video is authentic, but every detail seems to line up with recent rumors, making this leak feel more believable than ever. If genuine, this could be our first ever real-world hands-on look at the Galaxy Z Fold 8 before Samsung even gets the chance to unveil it. So, has Samsung's biggest surprise already been ruined? Or is there an even bigger twist still waiting for us? What happens when Spider-Man meets Samsung's next-generation foldables? The answer is far more exciting than you might expect. Samsung and Sony Pictures are taking their partnership to the next level as excitement continues to build for Spider-Man. Brand new day in Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. A brand new short film has just dropped, bringing back everyone's favorite neighborhood superhero alongside his best friend, Ned Leeds, once again played by Jacob Batalon. While packed with humor and action, the film also quietly teases Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 8, giving fans an exciting glimpse at what's coming next. Directed by Emmy-nominated filmmaker Kasra Farahani, the short film delivers thrilling action sequences while highlighting one hilarious problem. Spider-Man destroys phone after phone during his intense crime-fighting adventures. From smashed screens to completely ruined devices, being a superhero definitely isn't easy on smartphones. That's when the fabricator steps in with an innovative solution. First, Spider-Man gets a durable Galaxy Z Flip that can survive his demanding lifestyle. But the biggest surprise comes next. The film subtly hints at an all-new foldable device without fully revealing it, leaving enough clues for fans to believe it's Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8, the company's wider foldable smartphone. The adventure gets even more entertaining as Ned Leeds uses the Spidey tracker to follow Spider-Man across the city. Fans are also treated to several spectacular action scenes from the upcoming movie, making this short film a must-watch before Spider-Man. Brand New Day swings into theaters on July 31. The excitement doesn't stop there. Samsung fans have another major date to mark on their calendars. On July 22nd, Samsung is set to unveil its newest foldable lineup during the Galaxy Unpacked event in London. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 8 become the superhero of Samsung's foldable lineup? We'll find out very soon. The first real-life footage of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra has just surfaced, and it's creating massive excitement among Samsung fans. The leaked video gives us our very first look at a fully working Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, the true successor to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and one improvement steals the spotlight instantly. Samsung appears to have made an incredible breakthrough with the display crease, making it dramatically less visible than ever before. The footage showcases the Fold 8 Ultra in everyday use, including video playback, smooth folding and unfolding, and multiple viewing angles.